What's up guys, Lucas here, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick comparison review between NordVPN and SurfEasy VPN. So if you've been wondering which is the better VPN service, then you are in the right place. Okay, so now when it comes to overall VPN comparisons, there's not a lot in common between these two providers. Actually, NordVPN is one of the most reliable VPNs in the world and is known for its impressive speeds and attractive website layout, as well as multiple security protocols and amazing features. But as a subsidiary of Symantec, SurfEasy will provide you with good internet protection, but you won't get to enjoy all the extras that come with NordVPN. And so, if you want to learn more about NordVPN later, I'll put a link to my full NordVPN review in the video description down below. Okay, so kicking off this review, I looked into the speed of each VPN. Now, SurfEasy has over 500 servers in 28 countries across the world with unlimited fast speeds 24/7. However, I did discover that its free version was quite slow, so a paid plan would be the way you'd have to go if you don't want any interference when streaming or downloading content with SurfEasy. But on the other hand, NordVPN has more than 5,100 servers in more than 60 countries across the world. And since all of them come with unlimited bandwidth, you can expect relatively fast speeds as you browse through the internet. Also, Nord will take care of all your internet needs, including streaming and blocking Netflix with ease. Overall, I did find that Nord has faster and more consistent speeds than SurfEasy. Then as for the quality of their server networks, well, it is helpful that SurfEasy has servers all over the world. And so I found servers in countries like United Kingdom, Brazil, Australia, the United States, Japan, and Norway. Of course, the more you pay, the more servers you'll enjoy. Unfortunately though, unlike Nord, I didn't find any individual servers for torrenting. So as far as Nord, all its servers are grouped into separate categories according to their specialization and type. Also, you'll find servers for Tor browsing, double VPN, dedicated IPs, P2P, and obfuscated servers to prevent VPN detection in censorship-heavy countries like China. Next, I looked into the quality of customer support with Nord and SurfEasy, and I did find that SurfEasy has a great customer support team that's ready to assist you if you have any questions or a problem. However, I also discovered that it's not always available. Even so, you can browse through their blog or video section to get the answers that you might need. Still though, on the other hand, NordVPN has a team that will help you at any time of the day. You can send an email or talk to them on the live chat feature, and Nord also has a comprehensive facts section. So then in terms of user experience, I found that installing NordVPN is also pretty straightforward, and connecting to a suitable server is only one click away. I did not have any trouble choosing a reliable and fast server. One exciting thing about NordVPN is that it also provides you with the statistics you need to pick the right one. I found this to be quite helpful as it allowed me to make informed decisions about what server I want to use. I also like that NordVPN is transparent in its security protocols. Here you can choose between encryption features like L2TP, PPTP, OpenVPN, among many others. And Nord also has an automatic kill switch to protect you if you lose your connection. And in comparison, downloading and installing SurfEasy is also pretty straightforward. To sign up though, you do have to set up an account by using your email address, but it's user-friendly and quite intuitive, and its options are pretty simple and easy to use. For instance, you can block annoying tracking cookies and ads. So what about SurfEasy's security protocols? Well, unfortunately, SurfEasy is not transparent on the VPN encryption protocols it uses. But in spite of this, I realized that it uses bank-grade encryptions, which make your data basically untraceable. And most importantly, SurfEasy does not store any customer logs or information, meaning that it's able to keep your online presence completely private. And then as far as pricing, SurfEasy is a bit cheaper as it is just under $3 per month with a device limit of 5 and a 7-day money-back guarantee. However, considering the user experience, I'd have to say that NordVPN offers a much better value starting at just under $4 per month with a device limit of 6 and a longer 30-day money-back guarantee. So the question comes down to this: which VPN should you choose? Well, in summary, SurfEasy is a remarkable VPN, but at the end of the day, honestly, I would recommend NordVPN over SurfEasy for a couple of reasons. First, SurfEasy is entirely insufficient when it comes to customer support, meaning that if you have trouble, you may not have an easy time fixing them. Secondly, NordVPN has more robust security protocols to keep you well protected as you browse and stream. So hopefully this video was helpful. If so, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, as it always makes my day. Honestly, it really does. And just a reminder, if you are interested in trying out NordVPN, please be sure to check out the links and discount code I'll put in the description area down below. That way you can save some money. Also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the cyber family. All right, guys, be sure to be safe, and I'll look for you in the next video.